So here we have the Samsung A35 5G. Let's start by unboxing the phone, and then we will break it down further and explain it. As you can see, there is some information at the back of the box which is wrapped in plastic. So to unbox it, we're obviously going to remove the plastic wrap to reveal the box. Turning to the back of the box, we see some information which is important. Remember, do not accept the phone if the seal is torn or broken. Now, we will tear the seal on the top and the bottom. Ripping off the stickers and sliding off the lid, the first thing we see is the phone, of course. Inside the lid, you will find the familiar packet stamped with the Samsung logo. You'll have a SIM ejector pin, a Type-C charging cable, and a user manual and guide for the phone. Now let's unbox the phone itself. As you can see, it is neatly covered in a wrap. To set up the phone, just hold on the power button and it will open up. After that, you will be asked some simple questions which you will need to answer. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.